Hey, let's go to the beach.
That's a great idea.
We have not been in a while.
We have not been in a month.
The last time we went, you almost drowned.
No, I did not.
Then why did the lifeguard dive into the water?
I think he wanted to cool off.
He swam right up to you.
And then he turned right around.
Maybe you're right.
Maybe we should get going.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hello. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
Are you married?
No. I'm divorced.
When did you get divorced?
I got divorced 2 years ago.
Why did you get divorced?
My wife left me.
Why did she leave you?
She said she did not love me anymore.
Wow. That's terrible.
Yes, it was.
Why didn't she love you anymore?
She fell in love with someone else.
Oh. That's sad. Hey. What's going on?
I'm bored.
What's on TV?
Nothing.
There must be something on TV.
Nothing that's interesting.
What about the new game show?
Which one?
Deal or No Deal?
Tell me you're joking.
I love that show.
I watched it once. That was enough.
It's on right now. Let's watch it together.
Hi. How is this place? It is very nice. I like living here. I agree. Toronto is a nice city. It's not too big. And it's not too small. It has great weather all year long. It has the Rose Parade. It has beautiful houses. It has wonderful restaurants. It has great schools. It's close to the mountains. The people are friendly. I'm not ever going to leave. Yeah. Me too. We need a new mattress.
What's the matter with this one?
It's not comfortable.
It seems fine to me.
I toss and turn all night.
You should stop drinking coffee.
Look at these marks on my arms.
What are they?
They are bites.
Did the cat bite you?
No. The bedbugs in that mattress bit me.
Okay. Let's get a new mattress.
We will go tomorrow.